In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. We'll start from the very beginning in a web browser. First, open your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Once you have that open, head over to Google. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and then press Enter. You'll see a list of search results pop up. Go ahead and click on the official ChatGPT website from the results. If you already know the direct link, feel free to skip this step and navigate straight to the site. The goal here is to arrive at the ChatGPT home screen. Once you're there, it's important that you're signed into your account. That way, you'll be able to access your personal settings and make the changes you want. So take a moment to ensure you're logged in. Once you've done that, look toward the lower left corner of the page. You should see your profile avatar or your initials displayed there. Go ahead and click on that area. This is where you can open the account menu. If you're using a smaller screen and don't see your avatar, don't worry. You can try maximizing your browser window or zooming out a little bit. That should help you spot it. So once you've clicked on the avatar, a menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that says Settings. Doing this will open a panel with various preferences related to your account settings. Now in this panel, keep an eye out for the section labeled Appearance. Next to this Appearance option, you'll see a small drop-down icon. Click on that to reveal the different theme options available to you. This is the spot where you can control how ChatGPT looks, so it's pretty crucial. From the list of themes that shows up, select the Dark option. As soon as you click on Dark, the interface should switch instantly to a darker color scheme. This dark mode is particularly advantageous for late-night work sessions. It reduces glare and eases eye strain, especially in low-light settings where bright screens can be quite harsh. If for some reason the change doesn't happen right away, give the page a moment to update or try refreshing your browser tab. Now, if you happen to use any browser-based theme extensions, keep in mind that they can sometimes override site themes. If that's the case, temporarily disabling those extensions may help you see ChatGPT's native dark palette more accurately. This appearance setting will not alter your past chats or any of your account settings beyond visuals, so there's absolutely no risk in trying it out. Some accounts may also give you the option to match the app's theme to your system settings. This means that if your device is set to dark mode, ChatGPT would automatically follow suit. However, if you want to ensure that ChatGPT always remains in dark mode, you can keep it explicitly set to dark here. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share a couple of quick tips. If you're working on a high-contrast monitor, you might want to adjust your display brightness after enabling dark mode for an even more comfortable visual experience. Additionally, if you switch devices, let's say you're using a different computer or a laptop, you'll need to remember that the appearance setting is a per-account preference. So, make sure you sign in and check your settings when you log in for the first time on a new machine. And just a heads up, if you're using the mobile app, the process is quite similar. Open the app, access the menu, go to Settings, find the Appearance option, and select Dark from there as well. And that's it! Dark mode is now enabled in ChatGPT. Enjoy your more comfortable, focused workspace. And remember, you can always switch back to light mode, using the same menu whenever you'd like. Happy chatting!